Hey, welcome back, everybody. I'm Dave Guerra, and welcome. Um, really different format here. I don't know if you can see the video looks a little different, but shooting this on the iPhone 16, let's give that a try. It's been a while since I've shot a video on an iPhone, so why not? Let's do it. Hopefully it'll look better, but we'll see. All right, so what are we doing today? Well, today in this episode, what are we doing? We're just going to heat something up, and we're going to make dinner. We're gonna heat up this. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. It's called ring bologna. Ring bologna looks like a summer sausage kind of layout. You know the link, but it's ring bologna, and we're using Frick's ring bologna. Went to HEB, not my local HEB, not my local HEB. I was in Georgetown here a couple weeks back, and we went to the HEB there, right across the street from the hotel, and well stocked, I mean, bigger than the one I have. I mean, the one I have here is big. This is bigger. It's huge. It's huge. Let's see if I can do that. Hey, whoa, there we go. All righty. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. So yeah, it's much bigger selection, and of course, you know, it's up in the hill country, so definitely you're going to find this. My local HEB does not have the ring bologna, so whenever I find it, I will snag a ring bologna. So how are we going to prepare this? Real simple. Real simple. We're going to serve it with. We went to Aldi's, also picked up their sauerkraut, their Deutsche KUCHE, German style sauerkraut, German kitchen sauerkraut, and there it is. So we've already popped it open, give it a little tasty taste, very good. But before we do all of that, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to cut up an onion. The rest of this onion, we're going to cut it up and saute it just a little bit to get them going. Then we're going to heat up the sauerkraut, and then on top of that, we're just going to slice in some of the ring bologna, and then we're just going to feast on that for dinner. So come on, let's get this done. All right, there's the onion. Let's go ahead and let's get that chopped up. Again, as always, the right tool for the right job. So let's go ahead and get this. And again, nothing fancy, just a real quick slice. Remember to cut off the ends. There we go. And I'm not going to do a fine dicing or anything. Just there we go. And hey, don't forget, folks, let the knife do all the work. There it is. That's it. Just half an onion, again, because I like onion when it's cooked. I like onion in the sauerkraut. Yeah, so we'll be doing that here. So we'll go and put that in the pan right now. And again, we just want to get them in here. We're going to get them soft a little bit. We're not going to get them translucent. We're just going to break them up, get it in there, nice and heat it up. And just a little canola oil in there. And then we'll start adding the cabbage, let that cook, let that heat up, and we'll add the ring bologna. 2, 1. All right, why ring bologna? Why not? Never had it, heard a lot about it. Apparently it's a thing. So, hey, why not? So let's get into this. Here we go. Careful, it's got a lot of liquid. So when you take it out of the container, out of its wrapping, yeah, you see the liquid down here. Alrighty. Does it smell like bologna? Does it? No. It does smell like a sausage. Oh, look at the casings already coming undone. Look at that. Very nice. Why cut at an angle? More surface area. Cooks quicker. Now, the inside does look like bologna, the meat, but should be interesting. All right, well, I left the heat a little high, but that's okay. Now it's time to add our sauerkraut. Let's go ahead and add it to the, oh, it smells so good. And there it is. Some of the onion's starting to caramelize, but that's okay. We got it in there in time. We brought the heat down a little bit. Now we're going to let this all warm up, and then we'll be adding the bologna here in just a bit. All right, let's finish cutting this. Now, in researching this what to do, how to cook the ring bologna, pretty much summer sausage, the way you cook summer sausage, any of the things you can do with that, you can do it with the ring bologna. So not bad, not bad. Keep things easy, keep things simple. All right, let's get this into the pan. And there it is. It's in there, so we're gonna give it a little stirry stir. Oh, it's looking good already. And we'll just let that sit in there. And great little meal. The second night of winter, and nice little cabbage or sauerkraut, onions, and ring bologna. All right, we're going to cover this up here, and we're going to let it sit here for a couple of minutes. Let it all come to temperature, and then we'll be tasting it. So we got some other stuff to take care of. All righty, so it's back here. There it is under the lid, and it's warming up. It smells great. I tasted that sauerkraut just out of the can, whatever stuff, or out of the jar. That stuff was delicious. Loved me some sauerkraut. So with that being said, again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you. This is a really simple, really simple. Just wanted to do something here for you, just real quick, just let you know, hey, things don't always have to be so elaborate. Not like that cake we did the other day. No, sometimes it's just, opening up a can, tearing open some sausage, in this case, the ring bologna. And I've never had ring bologna, so I do want to try it. So this will be my first shot at ring bologna, and see how that works out. But in the meantime, again, thank you very much for all your likes, comments, subscribes. And hey, if you've had a ring bologna and you liked it, let me know in the comments down below. And if you didn't like it, let me know in the comments down below. And if you do or don't, and if ring bologna is not your favorite, what is? Let me know in the comments. Also, I want to hear from you. I want to kind of take an informal poll, and we'll go from there. Also, veterans, don't forget, Veterans Crisis Line, all that information's right here, always for you. 988, dial. And when the automated attendant answers, press the number 1. All right, don't forget to visit the website, theveteranscrisisline.net. It's there for you. Again, all that information's here. It's also in the show notes down below, so don't forget to visit. So again, you can even chat with them. Yeah, there's chat numbers down here at the bottom of the stack. So you can chat with them, visit the website, text, chat, or call them. Either way, make the call. That's really what they're there for. Make the call. And listen, I want to thank you for, again, joining me up to this point. 2025 is going to be a lot of fun. We already got a great lineup made up, but hey, doesn't mean that we can't stop for you. If you've got a request, let me know. Alrighty, listen, again, thanks a lot. Let's wrap this up. I'm getting hungry. It smells so good. All right, there it is. There it is in the bowl. Let's give it a tasty taste. Yeah, that's nice and hot. Let's give it that tasty taste. I'm hungry. All right, there it is in a nice bowl, in our Temptations Christmas bowl. Cabbage, ring bologna. Folks, if all ring bologna is as good as this ring bologna, do yourself a solid, get you some. And if you already know, why haven't you shared that? Let me know before. Either way, it's great. It's tasty. It's the sauerkraut, delicious, nice and warm. Again, third night of winter, that's when I recorded this video. So I'll be playing a little bit later, but again, you're watching this. It's third night of winter. It's a great meal. And we got more cold days ahead. So if you can get some ring bologna, attention HEB, not down here, but let me know when and how you can, if you're watching. All right. So I got dinner. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. I'm Dave Guerra. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. And this vet cooks.